Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is underestimated utility. Utility को underestimate करना. This article is related to मनरेगा. मनरेगा की यहाँ पे फुल फॉर्म देख लेते हैं हम. महात्मा गांधी रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी स्कीम. जैसे कि आप इस आर्टिकल को रीड करते हैं, इसमें हमारा एम क्या होता है कि आपकी डिक्टेशन तो होती ही होती हैं और उसके बाद हमारा ये होता है कि इसमें से आपका जो वोकैबुलरी निकालना प्लस आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करना. इसको हम 100 वर्ड पर मिनट डिक्टेशन करेंगे. सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. That as many as 21 of 35 states union territories have utilized by October 29 over 100% of their allocated funds under the Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme for FY 2021-22 is not a surprise. In the previous year, the allocations for Manregas were increased by rupees 50,000 crore to meet the demand for work, with the revised estimates for spending for the scheme going up to rupees 1,11,500 crore. Manregas was a savior for the poor, especially migrant laborers, following the sudden lockdown announced by the union government. In the year's budget, the finance minister allocated rupees 73,000 crore for the scheme, which was higher than the previous year's absolute number in budget allocations. But this amounted only to 2.1% of the budget expenditure, the lowest outlay in those terms in the last 6 years. By October end, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh had utilized more than 130% of their respective allocations for the scheme, indicating the extent to which rural workers depend on the scheme, even in relatively better off states. Clearly, the union government has underestimated the demand for work under the scheme, which, even if it involves arduous and manual labor, has accounted for a large chunk of rural employment at a time when the economy suffered a steep contraction due to the effects of the pandemic. In response to a report, officials in the Rural Development Ministry accused states of artificially creating demand, but this has not been borne out from ground reports, which continue to indicate rising demand for work and wages in rural India. Civil society activists claim that some workers have been turned away by officials despite the demand for work because of the paucity of funds. The union government must ensure that the allocation is adequate for wage payments to be done and for demand to be met in the remaining months of this financial year. The utility of Manregas as a scheme that alleviates distress has never been in question. From acting as an effective substitute in the absence of crop and weather insurance in aiding poor farm households and helping to provide wages during agrarian crisis to being an avenue for employment during the economic crisis induced by the pandemic and the response, Manregas has turned out to be a for farm workers and laborers. Delays in wage payments could also result in a decline in rural consumption, which plays a vital role in stimulating the economy. Besides the scheme utility in distress, it also has the potential, if works are upgraded suitably, to continue to improve rural development and infrastructure. The union government must consider this during allocations and not be conservative in its outlay or remain unmindful of the overall potential of the scheme. Full stop.